All right, so listen, I just got access to an off-market home here in New Smyrna Beach, and before this one hits the market, I want to know what you think it's worth. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, over 2,500 square foot home, pool home, ocean views, direct access to the beach right here on this walkway, and it's 3 blocks from Flagler Avenue. Watch the tour. Tell me what you would pay, and we'll tell you what the price is going to go at the end of the video. But want to see what your comments are, so comment below on what you think this house will go for. Let's get started. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, you want to learn everything there is to know about living in New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas like Ormond Beach, Daytona Beach Shores, Ponce Inlet, Fort Orange, or Edgewater, then you've come to the right place. My name is Matt Ecoff. I'm joined by my beautiful wife, Rachel Ecoff, also joined by my beautiful teammate, Natalia, and we're here to share everything from the best neighborhoods to the hottest spots around town. We cover everything from school zones to flood zone. Listen, we get phone calls, emails, text messages, and Zoom nights every day from people just like you wanting to move to the beach. So whether that be in 2 days, 20 days, or 200 days, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you move to the beach. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you get all the updates and notifications about New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas. Now let's come check out this off-market property today that I have listed that's not on the market yet, that you're getting exclusive access.
All right, we are here in New Smyrna Beach, North Beach to be specific, but very coveted area in New Smyrna Beach, beachside. We are directly across from the beach. If you watch the intro, you can see that we walk from the boardwalk right over to this house. It is only a couple blocks away from Flagler Avenue as well, which is super convenient for, you can walk to go get dinner, you can golf cart, you can go shopping down there. Every time we have a festival or a parade, you can literally walk from your house to there and be back before all the madness
and it saves you all that parking trouble.
Does.
It's so
really
easy
does.
and so helpful and so quick, and this house is convenience and luxury all
Yes.
in one. Not to mention the house is literally, we call it the yacht house because it feels like a yacht, it looks like a yacht, it's decorated like a yacht.
Yeah, and you get those really pretty ocean views from upstairs on your yacht balcony.
Yeah. So if you just pretend.
We're also matching today, and that was not intentional.
But
I feel like it's perfect for the yacht house. So let's go.
It is.
Let's go in and see what this house has to offer. Okay, let's start on the lower level first. Natalia, why don't you go show them bedroom number 1?
So this is our first bedroom off to the right as soon as you walk in. Now this can be used as a bedroom or a flex space. It also has our first bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill right over there. Huge room, so it's really
spacious, but also it has its own walk-in closet.
It's very flexible. Like there's a lot to do here, a lot that you can mess with, a lot of opportunity.
Yeah, and if you look right over here, we're right across the street from Holiday Cove and from Golden Arms, and Wind Sands is also right here, and that's your entrance into the beach. You basically have a private entrance.
You really do, because no one's using that entrance unless you're either at the Holiday Cove or you live right here.
Yeah,
those are the only two groups of people using that.
So because it is an ensuite and you can close that door off, but it is accessible to the rest of the house. So if you had guests or somebody staying with you, they still have access to the bathroom on their own.
This is another flex space / bedroom. They're using this one as an office currently.
But still a pretty good size room. Also walk-in closet. That's what I really like about this home, is that there was definitely no lack of storage in this house at all.
Which is so helpful. And a lot of times when you're on beachside, you do tend to see a lack of storage.
Yes, you do.
In homes. So again, tiny little hallway closet too. So good for beach towels, you know.
This is one of my favorite rooms because it's pink. You've got the pink princess room. Also with its own closet. Still
Big
pretty good.
closet.
Yeah, still pretty good size closet in here. So you've got a total of 3 bedrooms downstairs, which is nice because it's separated from the primary.
3 bedrooms and 3 different closets. Speaking of storage, we're gonna go look this way, which is, we have a 2-car garage in this house, which is, it's practically unheard of in North Beach because it's just not something you see. So this 2-car garage is a super great and rare opportunity, which really boosts the value of the home.
Yes, so we rarely get to see garage space. It's like a true garage that hasn't been converted into something else or who knows what. To have an actual garage on this lot line and to have all this storage is super special in North Beach. So I love it. I think this is a great selling point for this home to not only have storage closet
garage.
space, true two-car real garage. Awesome. This is a separate entrance out to the pool area, which we will see in the rest of the video, but this is just a nice, easy access into the house so you don't have to walk all the way up and down or through the primary.
We're saving it for later.
Saving it for later.
And then
More closet space.
Just so you can see, this is the under the stair storage space. It's huge. Okay. Next. Come on. Then we're gonna go upstairs, and again, all this carpet is brand new. All the stairing, everything. It's very new, nice carpet.
Okay, so it opens straight into your living room / entertainment area, and this sells the house for me.
I think that the best way to describe this room is literally a breath of fresh air. Like you walk in here and you're like,
it's also kind of like a really cool shape.
Yeah.
This is why we call it the yacht house, because it is kind of shaped like a boat, and you can imagine just being docked at any port because you're seeing the views of the water.
Especially
but this is
once
really
you
special.
walk outside, it really starts to feel like our boathouse.
This is super special. This deck wraps all the way around the house. It's made out of that composite wood, so it never really gets hot, but it also doesn't rot, and you don't have to worry about replacing this often at all. So like sometimes on beachside we'll get wood decks that fall apart immediately, fencing that falls apart immediately. Their deck and also their fencing, which we'll get to, is made out of this really heavy duty composite, and it's awesome.
Just wait until you hear more about the fence. I think you guys will really like that.
I really love the fence.
This is all your yard. All of that. So the fact that this house not only has a 2-car garage, but has all of this yard space just in the front yard alone. It's on over 1/4 of an acre, and it's on a corner lot. You don't really see this in North Beach, New Smyrna Beach. This is unheard of. And it doesn't just stop there. Let's us be reminded, it also has a 2-car garage and all of that storage. This is incredibly rare, and you just see this amount of yardage.
Oh yeah.
And this is just the front yard. Wait until you guys see the backyard with the pool and everything.
Ready?
I'm really glad you brought up the lot space. So we are on this huge oversized corner lot, but if you look right across the street, this home was torn down. It is sold the property for $1.2 million. So they're gonna build 2 separate homes on that lot, but you can kind of imagine where we're going with this, and we will tell you the price of this home when we are done. But that kind of gives you an idea that land that they tore the house down, $1.2 million. This already has a house on it.
And that one's just a smidge bigger, so it's a really great comp. If just the land sold for 1.2, wait till you guys see how much this house is selling for.
But did we get a peek at the views? Imagine just sitting up here, having your coffee, having lunch. This is incredible.
After going to get food from Flagler.
Right, exactly.
Man, I really feel like I'm on a cruise ship right now.
Yeah, I know.
Looking out at the views, feeling the ocean breeze hit my face, looking at the sky, everything.
What time is the buffet open? Let's go check it out.
I know, I'm hungry. Do they serve sushi?
I hope so.
All right, and then as we walk back in the house, you're gonna see we have Hurricane Category 5 sliders here.
They're like heavy duty.
Heavy duty. I can barely move them.
And the windows as well, right?
The windows. Everything in this house is, pretty much fully updated. A lot of it is.
Yeah, again, so we're back in the entertainment space. There is a fireplace, which is also another rarity for Florida. I don't know how often you'd use it, but it is there.
I mean, if you have Florida blood like we do, we'd be using it as soon as the temperatures hit about 60 degrees for the 2 days that it hits 60.
So the kitchen has a ton of natural light, and I can see that somebody might come in and really want to update this and make it their own. And at a price point of about 50 grand to renovate a kitchen right now, you're really going to be able to do some things with this house at the price point that this house is going to be offered at.
But you have to stay tuned to see the price of this house.
Yeah.
To touch back on the kitchen, we have these beautiful skylights, which again, they were just updated and just renovated. And not to say that the kitchen really even needs renovations, but with the way that it's designed right now, you have a lot of flexibility in this house to do whatever you want.
Yeah.
With upgrades done like the windows, like the skylights, like the flooring, it still gives you the flexibility to make it your own without having to go for those crazy renovations.
I agree. I think all the really major points that you would want in your home has already been done
Yes.
for you. So this is all aesthetic.
It's
at
all,
this
yeah,
point.
it's
This
all
is-
aesthetic
This
stuff
is just
that
going
really
to be
done.
cosmetic, aesthetic things like you may want a different color countertop, yada yada, and
But the
I think that's
kitchen's
super
fine and
doable at this
functionable.
price point.
Yeah, it's fine and functional as is, but if you wanted, it leaves for a lot of room to play with it.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure, to make it your own.
Over here we have another bathroom, which this is also laundry room.
So your laundry, I like this. I like that the laundry is up here by the primary because it gives you easy access and you're not having to go up and down the stairs to do. All right, so this is your primary. What's really cool about the primary is that it has its own entrance onto the deck from the room. And I heard that the previous owner just loved to sit right here, do morning coffee, and look at the ocean. Who doesn't want that? Right out of their bed? That's amazing.
I wouldn't have to leave my bed.
Yeah, I know.
I would sleep outside, I think.
There is a pretty sizable bathroom in here, 2 separate sinks, shower tub, soaking tub, gorgeous views. I mean,
Another bathroom.
another bathroom. This is
So yeah, it's nice because I think that the primary is kind of separated from everything with its own bathroom. So if you're hosting guests and they come upstairs to cook, they don't have to come in here to use the bathroom.
yeah, they have their own bathroom, which is really great. And
So
then my
it's
favorite part is this. Look at us
Always
giant
one
walking.
of my favorites.
Whee!
Rachel is
Ta-da!
shorter than the shelf. I would like to point that out.
But this is a huge walk-in closet for the primary, so I absolutely
We
love
could keep all our
that.
matching outfits. in
all of
there.
our matching outfits can go in. That's so funny. We really did not
We
plan
really
this.
did not plan this. Like
But it did happen.
she was outside, I came outside, and then I saw she was matching.
All right. So also, we haven't shown you one of the best features of this home yet.
The
pool.
So the pool. So we're gonna start up high and we're gonna go down low. So let's get that aerial shot of the pool that you can see from your balcony.
Yeah,
So we'll
look
start
at
up and go
this.
down.
This deck is amazing. And you notice it is about 90 degrees outside. We had to take our shoes off. The deck's not hot. This is
Thank
great.
God I painted my toenail.
The deck's not hot at all.
Alright,
So you've
let's
got
go
access from the downstairs where we had started by the
And
garage,
now
and
we're
then
upstairs.
access from the upstairs deck area.
Which again, you don't have to go through the master bedroom to get here. You can go out from any of the upstairs doors to get around to here because again, that balcony wraps all the way around.
Now this is super, super great. I love this pool area because of the privacy that is in this space. Nobody can see you back here, which I think is primo. You've got this beautiful Pebble Tech redone pool and spa, and you've got tons of decking out here. You could do chairs, you can do, it even has its own little lawn. So if you have a pet or an animal and they can chill out here. And what's really, 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 really special and neat is the fencing.
fences.
The fence looks, I didn't know the first time I came to the house.
It
I
looks
thought it was
completely
stone.
normal, you know?
I thought it was a stone fence.
But
It's
it's
actually
not.
made out of the same composite that the stairs are made out of. And fun fact, they installed it to be a hurricane-proof fencing. So what that means is that they took the composite fence, and each pillar for the fence has 80 pounds of cement concrete underneath the ground.
It goes
to hold
5
down.
feet under the ground, yeah.
Yep. So this fence is not going anywhere.
It's really,
And it's
Again.
also not going to turn colors.
Nope.
It's weather resistant. It stays cool. I love it. No complaints in that
it's gonna
department.
stay exactly how it looks right now.
All right, now we have concluded our tour of the yacht home. Also, keep the mailbox, matching mailbox to the fence. I think that's pretty cool.
So we are at the corner of Due East and North Atlantic here. I'm gonna walk out to the end of the driveway, show you guys one more beautiful shot of this house, and then we're gonna reveal the price to you.
Yeah, so you've got right here, direct beach access. Gorgeous other homes down Due East. Due East is one of those streets that everybody wants to live on because it's quiet. Your neighbors are wonderful. Everything is well maintained, and you're only 3 blocks away from Flagler Avenue, where all the action is.
It's exclusive.
It's exclusive, and this doesn't get better than this. This
No.
house is probably going to go pretty quickly, but we're ready to review, drumroll,
$1,490,000. So if you guys guessed right, leave a comment below. If you didn't guess right, let us know what you thought it was, and we'll take every comment into consideration. We read everything, and we want to hear what your opinions are.
Yeah, absolutely. And also, Matt's going to come back in with some wrapping up, telling you a little bit more facts about the house and the house across the street.
All right, so we hope you enjoy the tour of our yacht home. Again, this was an exclusive off-market property right now that I have, that it will be going live in a few weeks, but we're doing some prep work on a couple different things. So to recap, we have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,500 square foot on a quarter-acre lot, corner lot on North Atlantic and due east. We got Flagler Avenue 3 blocks away. We have the ocean less than a football field away. Pool home. This thing has everything. Ocean views from upstairs and downstairs. It's phenomenal. Again, on a corner lot, we have the lot across the street. I just want to point out that it's just a little bit larger, also due east address, but sold for $1.2 million, a little over $1.2 million, and we're at $1,490,000. So essentially you buy a house for $290,000 that comes with a pool. I mean, how freaking crazy is that? With, one of the top things, a 2-car garage in coveted North Beach. Okay, I talk about North Beach a lot. Rachel and I live just down the street, so not only if you bought this house, you have this great opportunity to, to appreciate the way that North Beach does, but you also be my neighbor, which would be pretty cool. So appreciation in North Beach is over 11% year over year, with a national average is 2.5%. So average home in North Beach sold for $1,189,000 in 2025. So you're getting a smoking deal here for the price per square foot that you're buying. So listed for $1,490,000, but not listed yet. And maybe not even go yet. Maybe you see this and you want to come check it out before anybody else. So listen, we get phone calls, emails, text messages, Zoom invites every day from people just like you wanting to move to the beach. So whether that be in 2 days, 20 days, or 200 days, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you move to the beach. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you get all the updates and notifications about New Smyrna Beach and surrounding areas. Thank you for joining us on this tour today, and we'll see you on the next one.